Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can redeem your Pandabuy points. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So as you can see guys, I'm right now in pandabuy.com. So this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the top right corner and then right here, click on your profile icon. So under it, you're gonna find the user center, order, warehouse, or sell, wallet, and lastly, logout. So make sure that you are signed into your account. If not, go ahead and go and sign into your account. And after that, click on user center. So once you click on user center, right here, you're going to find your account icon. And under it, you're going to find your ID. Next to it, you're going to find your balance. And you can either top up or withdraw. Right here, you can find your Pandabuy points, your coupons, and lastly, your growth value. So as you can see, guys, this is your Pandabuy points. You can go to the Pandabuy points section by going to this list in the left and then search for my points. So once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And as you can see, guys, right here, you're going to find how many points you have. As you can see, guys, for me, I have 0 points. Under it, you're gonna find the points redemption this month. So for me, it's 0 out of 500,000. So basically, guys, the maximum amount of points that you can redeem each month is 500,000 points. So basically, guys, if you want to redeem the points, go ahead and click on Pandabuy Points Redeem and then enter the redeem code right here. And after that, go ahead and click on Redeem Now. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.